Hello students, welcome to Bhagat Online Classes, and today we are going to discuss the basic concept of chemistry, that is aldehyde. Okay, so let's discuss regarding the aldehyde. So aldehyde, okay, aldehyde compounds. So first of all, we'll have to know the general formula of the compound aldehyde, and here general formula for the compound, that is here GF. Here GF means I'm considering the general formula, that is R C H O. Clear? RCH is the general formula, and functional group or FG, this is CHO. Clear? So here CHO is the functional group, that is only due to presence of this group we can identify that this compound is a member of aldehyde group. Clear? And that is why the general formula RCHO represents the aldehyde compounds, and here this R is here. R is the radical group, radical group, and its general formula is CnH2n plus 1. And regarding the radical group, we have already discussed in our previous videos. You can go to those videos for the details of the radical groups. Clear? So here, you know that general formula is what is it? RCHO, and the functional group is CHO, and the IUPAC name, the board IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, it is given a name, that is IUPAC name for the compound aldehyde, and that is alkanal. What is that? Alkanal. That is why suffix of the compound of this group, that is aldehyde, we use al. Clear? That is alkane minus E plus al is equal to, what is that? Alkanal. That is, while naming, you have to use alkane as the root name, and from where you have to remove E and add Al. That is alkanal. Okay? We can take various examples here. So clear? This is regarding general formula RCHO, functional group CHO. Here R is the radical group or the alkyl group, and IUPAC number of the given compound is alkanal, and that is why suffix is al. Al, that means the names of all the compounds in this group will end in al. That is alkanal. Okay, if the radical group contains only one carbon, then in total there will be two carbons, one carbon of radical group and one carbon of the functional group CH. So two carbons. Here alkanal, that means alkan here, alkan here the ethane, it will become ethane, and it will be the ethanol. We'll discuss the details of this nomenclature. Okay, so one nomenclature here, it is very simple and easy. For example, you know that RCH is the general formula, and for R, which is the radical group Cn H2n plus 1. Clear? If carbon is 1, then what about the hydrogen? Cn, the value of n is 1. If the value of n is 1, then what about 2n plus 1? 2 multiplied by 1, 2 and 2 plus 1, 3, CH3. Okay, that is why C2, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, C3, H7, C4, H9. All these are the radical groups or the alkyl groups, and here it is alkyl. As you know, the R is radical group alkyl. That is why it is there is one carbon methyl, two carbon ethyl. This is propyl, and this one is the butyl. Okay, clear? Got it? So from all these alkyl group or the radical groups, you'll have to use any one. Let us use the first one is the methyl here. That is C1H3. or that is only considered as the CH3. Okay, so let's use that is here uh, example 1. That is, if we put CH3 in place of R, it would be CH3CHO. CH3CHO. Then name it. Uh, how to name it? The IUPAC name, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry Board, name is given. How to name this compound? So first of all, you'll have to count the total number of carbon atoms present in this compound. Okay, and here carbon 1, carbon 2. There are two carbon atoms in the given compound. Clear? So there are two carbon atoms. So you'll have to remember the alkane groups. Okay, if and here the what is the alkane? You'll have to keep in mind what is that alkane. The name of the alkane with only two carbon atoms, and that is if there is one carbon methane, two carbon ethane. So that alkane with two carbon atoms is ethane. So here it is very simple. IUPAC name of the aldehyde is alka null, and here there are two carbon atoms, and the alkane with two carbon atoms is what? Ethane. That is your name is ethanol. What is that? Ethanol. This is the IUPAC name. Okay. Likewise, another example you can take. If you put C2H5, that is ethyl, then what happens? That is C2H5CHO in place of RCHO. We have put that is C2H5 ethyl group. Okay, so name this compound. Once again, here the total number of carbon atoms 2, 1, 3. Okay, there are three carbon atoms in this compound. That is your name. According to alkanol, it would be three carbons. That is what? Consider propane. Three carbons propane. Methane, ethane, propane. That is why it is propanol. Propanol. Clear? So thus we can name any compound of the aldehyde. Okay. Next, let us discuss the structure. Okay. Here, as you know, CH3CHO. What is that? Two carbons, ethanol, and the structure is how to write the structure. Draw the structure here. First of all, you'll have to put the carbon atoms in a chain. Already there are two carbon atoms. Put two carbons like this. Clear? And here we can you know in this carbon atom, you'll have to set the functional group, that is CHO. That is, oxygen will take two bonds, and hydrogen will take one bond. Clear? This CHO, we have set CHO in this second carbon and the first carbon. The carbon is tetravalent, that it forms four bonds, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put hydrogen atoms. Okay, we got the structure of the given compound, ethanol CH3CHO. Clear? And another is, if you consider, what is that? C2H5CHO. What about the structure of this compound? That is, this is as there are three carbon atoms, each propanol. Here, so first of all, as there are three carbon, I put three carbon atoms in a chain like this, and set the this what functional group, there is CHO with the third carbon atom. Oxygen takes double one, hydrogen single one. Okay, and here in this compound, this carbon, according to tetravalent rule. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, clear? Now put hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this is the structure of C2H5CHO, that is propanol. Thus, we can write the structure of any compound of the aldehyde in this manner. Okay. Next, come to common names. Common names of the aldehyde. Okay. Here, aldehyde formula. Here it is formula IUPAC. name and common name. Clear? Okay. First thing, aldehyde is what is that? RCHO. If we put here, okay, if we are going to put no alkyl group in place of R, then what will happen? Okay, at that time, what happens? The place of R is taken by only the hydrogen bond, that is HCHO. If we are not going to put any alkyl group, okay, then we'll have to put only the hydrogen atom. Clear? So it is HCHO, and this C is the first compound in the aldehyde group. Okay, and now SCHO IPS. What is the IPS name here? As there is only one carbon atom here, it will be alkanal. The name is alkanal, that is methane methanol. Clear? This is the IPC name of the compound HCHO. And the common name is here, as there is single carbon atom, and here the common name generally it is used, you should keep in mind by using various at the time of reading, writing, all this. Okay, here you can. Is there a one carbon form is used. Form plus aldehyde, that is formaldehyde. Clear? This is the common one. And another is C2. Yes, putting CH3, that is methyl. CH3CH. This is the second compound in this group aldehyde. And the IPS name. There are two carbon atoms. That is ethane, alkanal. That is why it is ethanol. And common name is a prefix is used acid. Acid plus aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde. Clear? And another is, if you put C2H5, that is ethyl, plus C2H5 CHO. This is the third compound in this aldehyde group. And IUPAC name is, there are three carbon atoms, that is why it is propanol. That is propanol. And common name is suffix propion is used. Propanaldehyde. Clear? Like that, if there are four carbon, there would be what? If you have total four carbon, butanol, then pentanol, like this and so on. Here, butanol is butyraldehyde. Common name is butyraldehyde, and butanol for pentanol it is what? Valeraldehyde, and also valeraldehyde, also called pentyraldehyde. Pentyraldehyde. Clear? So in this way, we can know the what, the general formula, then structure, and the nomenclature of the aldehyde compound. Okay, here basic thing is that you'll have to keep in mind. Another thing is there. Another thing is, if you are given here, we have been given what is that formula, and from formula we write. IUPAC name and the common name, and also the structure, the structure. But when you are given common name, whether common name or IUPAC name, and you are told to write the formula and structure, then uh, what will you do in that case? Okay, let us consider you are given uh, ethanol, ethanol, and what is that? Common name is the acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde and the ethanol. In this case, and you'll have to write what, the formula for this compound, that is ethanol acetaldehyde. Okay, uh, there are two ways. Okay, we can go directly. Also, you can write the formula, and from structure also you can write the formula. Clear? That is, alkanal. Here it is ethanol and eth. That means what? How many carbon atoms? Two carbon atoms. And we know that formula is what? RCHO. If RCHO is the general formula, and we need two carbon atoms for ethanol. Here already one carbon is present. Then we need another one carbon. Another one carbon that will be present in what? R group, that is in alkyl group. And here, what is that alkyl group? You'll have to consider what is that alkyl group which contains a single carbon atom. What is that? We know very simple it is CH3 of the methyl. So put here methyl CH3 CHO. Then what is that? CH3 CHO. This is ethanol of the acetaldehyde. Clear? In this way, directly also we can write the formula for the ethanol. And from the structural way, another way, there is structural. From structural way, how can we write the formula for the ethanol, the acetaldehyde? First of all, you'll have to consider that you have to know that what is the number of carbon atoms present in the compound. Then ethanol or acetaldehyde, that means two carbon atoms. Put two carbon atoms like this. Okay. Again, set here functional group that is CHO, and now here what? How many carbon atoms? Four as tetravalent. Put what? Okay, and now next its condensed form that is CH3 CHO. What is that? We obtain the formula for the ethanol of the acetaldehyde. Clear? Thus we can write a formula and also its structure in this way. Clear? So I hope this video will help you a lot to know the basics of the aldehyde compound. Okay. Finally, I would like to say you that you should subscribe this channel to get updated with our other new videos. Thanks to all. Thank you.